Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been a minute since I posted a video, but today we are back and I'm here with another synthetic wig review. So today's wig is from Beauty Exchange. They sent me this Outre perfect hairline, fully hand-tied 13x6 lace wig, and the name is Ariella, and the color is in cinnamon/mocha. So as you can see, it's just this brown curly wig, and it has like kind of light brown highlights in the front. It's pretty long. It reaches like mid-back. There is no length on here, but I would say it's about 22 inches. It's pretty long. But yeah, so this is what the hair looks like installed. You guys are going to see me install it, but first I just wanted to talk a little bit about the hair and show you guys the packaging and whatnot. So you guys have already kind of seen the box. This is what it came in. It just has, you know, the name. It's transparent HD lace. I did not do any plucking on this wig, first of all, so that says a lot because this looks really good. And I've always been scared of like curly synthetic wigs because I never knew how they would look or how I would be able to like refresh the curls, but I had no issues with this wig. You guys will see as you continue with the video. But yeah, as I said, this is the name Ariella. There are obviously a number of different colors that you can choose from besides this brown color that I have in my head. But on the box, I just want to show you guys what it looks like. So the back, it just explains what it is. Perfect hairline, fully hand-tied 13x6 frontal. This is a frontal wig. Ear to ear, transparent lace, natural baby hairs. It comes with a pre-attached elastic band. Yes, it does. I also talk about that later in the video. Pre-plucked hairline, as I just said. I did not do any plucking. And it's heat friendly, so if you wanted to add some heat to this, you know, hot comb it, straighten it, whatever, blow dry it, you can do that. And then it just shows you what the unit looks like on the inside, pictures of it. And I'm just gonna open it up really quick. So this is where the wig was. But I also like the back of this a lot because it has a care guide and also a step-by-step of how to apply the wig. So it just shows you what to do to take care of the wig, to maintain the wig, which is really helpful. I even had to look at it because, as I said, I've never had a curly synthetic wig, but this shows you exactly what to do, and then it has a step-by-step if you need it, and I just think that is very helpful. I just wanted to show you guys the packaging because I thought it was very nice and cute. But yeah, I just applied the wig today, so I can't give like a lengthy review. All I can say is, you know, how it's been for the last couple hours, but I really like it. It is super cute. I'm about to take some pictures in it because yeah. But yeah, I love the color. I like the pattern. Only thing I will say is, again, I say this in all my synthetic wig videos, it's just tangling, and especially because it's curly, I feel like there's a lot more tangling. But it is still a good and affordable wig. I believe this wig is like from $40 to $50, like no more than $50, which is amazing for how it looks. I'll do like a little turn, show you guys the back. That's what it's giving. It's pretty big, but I kind of like that. So if you guys want to see how I actually applied this wig from Beauty Exchange, just continue watching the video. Give this video a like before you even continue, and yeah, let's get into it. Hi you guys. All right, so I probably just did the intro and all of that, so we're just gonna jump into the video. I apologize for this setup, you guys. I am in a different dorm than I was before, and it's just been a struggle, and that's really a part of why I haven't really been filming as much, because yeah. But we're just gonna get into it. Bear with me. So first My hair was already braided back because I had on a wig before this, so my hair is already braided back. And then this is just the same cap. I didn't do the bald cap method. I never really do. I just put on a cap regularly and I put some makeup on it. The makeup is kind of fading away, but that is okay. And after I've put in my tint and also sprayed it with the Got2b, I'm just gonna take my blow dryer and let it dry for a few seconds because that stuff is wet. So we're just gonna blow dry it real fast. All right, now that it is all blow dried, we are just gonna plop it on our head. That's what the lace is looking like right now. Don't mind the little dots, but the hairline looks pretty good unplucked to be a synthetic wig, but we're gonna see what it looks like once it's on. So I'm just gonna plop this on my head. Oh yeah, and also there are these little adjustable thingies. So not only do you have the elastic band and the clips, you also have these little adjustable things that you can latch on to the hooks in the back. So yeah, but I'm just gonna put this on. You guys, the hairline looks really good, like untouched. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, that looks really good. And then this is the hair. It's cute. I don't know if I want to do a side or a middle part with this. It's giving side. I feel like middle part, like when I have middle part curly hair, I feel like I look like I want to be Beyonce or something. But okay. Yeah, this looks really nice. I honestly may not pluck it, so I can just show y'all that effortless clapping on and go look. I don't even think I'm gonna pluck it. Like, it really looks good without it. And it's really snug on my head. It's not too small, it's not too big. We just obviously have to cut these little sides. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to part out where my ear is, and it's not that much hair or that much lace that needs to be cut off. And I'm just gonna take my scissors and cut that. Alright, that's the first ear tab. Literally, that's all the lace that I just cut off. Like, it really does fit nicely on my head. I think I'm gonna do a side part. We love a good side part. Yeah, it's giving side. But all right, now that we have cut off the ear tabs, it is time to lay our lace, of course. So I'm just gonna lift that up, and I'm not gonna use any glue or anything. I don't usually use lace glue. I just take this the black Got2b, and I have a really small bottle right now. I need to go get like a regular size one, but I just use this and my Got2b spray. And yeah, so what I like to do first is just take a little bit of the black bottle of the Got2b, and I just like to put dots along my hairline, rub it in, and I like to do 2 layers of that. So I'm gonna take 2 layers, and then again we're gonna take our blow dryer on low heat, and I'm just going to let this dry a little bit and let it get tacky. And once it's a little bit tacky, I'm gonna take 2 layers of the Got2b spray, And I'm just gonna do the same thing, just spray and then spread with my fingers. Alright, and once it is good and tacky, I'm just gonna pull this down and lay it down. And I'm gonna take a comb and kind of press it into the glue that we just laid down. And also during this part, I like to take some more Got2b and put it right on the hairline. We're gonna comb that in, comb it through. And I'm also gonna add a little mousse. And comb it through. And once I'm done with that, I'm just going to take my scarf and apply it right on the hairline, and we're just going to let that sit in. Usually I part my hair to this side, but I just recently had a curly wig on and it was parted to this side, so I think I actually like this side, I'm not gonna lie. And y'all, look at the parting. It looks so good. Like that, nah, that looks like scalp. Like the parting is really, really nice. And this is a 13x4 frontal, so you can literally part it anywhere. Like it's a frontal. You can do middle, either side. But we're gonna take it over here to this side. You guys, the mousse I'm using is the Lotta Body mousse. I feel like a lot of people already know about this, but you know, the coconut and shea oils wrap me foaming mousse. The next thing we really need to focus on is just defining these curls, because they've obviously gotten a little bit messed up in this whole process. So we're gonna figure it out. So first, I'm not gonna comb through it, but I'm just gonna take my fingers and kind of like try to detangle it that way. Alright, so now that I have it somewhat kind of detangled out just with my fingers, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take a spray bottle and apply some water, and then I'm also going to apply some mousse and do the same finger through thing, and hopefully that works. Alright, so this is what the hair looks like after I've applied some water and some mousse. I don't really know if it made that much of a difference, but I kind of feel like it did a little bit. Let's see what it's looking like. Y'all, again, the hairline looks really, really good. It does. So I'm just going to cut this lace, And as y'all can see, I said it's really snug on my head. Like the lace is like right on my head. But we're just going to start cutting the lace. I'm just gonna use some regular scissors. I just went down the middle. And then I'm going to take my little eyebrow razor and cut off the rest of the lace. So now that that's all cut off, I know you guys can see like a white cast, but we're gonna get that together. So first, I'm just going to part out my edges. I'm just taking this Fit Me powder foundation, and I just have like a regular angled brush, and I'm just going to kind of try to blend it into my skin just a little bit more. Now for the last time, I'm just going to put on my scarf and let my edges sit in and marinate. Alright you guys, so once I took off the scarf, this is what it looks like. This is what it's giving. It's super cute. The lace looks really good, and you guys, as y'all saw, I did not pluck a thing. I literally just put it on, refreshed the curls, added some edges, and that was it. And this is what it looks like. I like it. I love how it came out. And again, this wig is from Beauty Exchange, so check the description box for the link to this wig, and definitely visit Beauty Exchange for this wig and many more cute wigs like it. Affordable and cute, I should say. And yeah, this is the finished product. Thank you guys for watching this video. Of course, like this video, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and also click the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a video. And yeah, visit Beauty Exchange. Again, link will be in the description box, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.